The Pfizer vaccine became the first COVID-19 vaccine to receive full FDA approval today. This means that the two-jab vaccine, which had initially been given emergency use authorization, will now be marketed as Comirnaty for the prevention of COVID-19 in individuals aged 16 and older. The approval comes as officials continue to appeal to Bahamians and residents to take the vaccine amid lingering vaccine hesitancy in some quarters. Bahamians and residents in line to get the jab said the news renews their confidence in their decision to get vaccinated.
Yes, even much more fully protected now. And I know that it may not save me from, but it can take me from going to the hospital, and if it's symptoms like just the flu-like symptoms, I could be able to handle it at home.
It does. It does add another layer for myself. Franklin, does that make you feel more comfortable?
Yes, it does.
Okay, and it should add another layer for the families that have held back because of the categorization given to the vaccinations.
The Pfizer vaccine is the only vaccine approved for children 12 through 15 and continues to be available to them. Here at home, 3 facilities are offering the vaccines to Bahamians. St. Anne's F&M candidate Adrian White, who is fully vaccinated, brought his 15-year-old son to get the jab.
As a parent in the household, we always have a responsibility to those that are dependent upon us. And even though my son is a capable young man, he's still a young man in my house. He's under the age of 18, and I have to make the right decisions for him. And I think that this is definitely the right decision, not only for him, but for other families to consider as well.
I guess I feel more comfortable now knowing that I have a lesser chance of actually getting or catching COVID-19.
White offered this bit of advice to parents who are still on the fence about allowing their children to get vaccinated.
Seriously take the opportunity to consider it, discuss it with both parents in the household, and if you can come to an agreement, to come out and get it early.
2 weeks back, the Bahamas received 128,700 doses of the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine, which is part of a 397,000 dose donation from the U.S. government. Others also lined up to get the Pfizer vaccine. The decision, they say, was not only to protect themselves, but their families.
Some church members died during the pandemic. It wasn't so good. And so you have to be mindful, you know. If you could take the measles shots and all that, you could take the Pfizer vaccine.
I did it because I know that the seriousness of the COVID-19 virus, and I did not only want to protect others, but I want to protect myself as well as my family. And if you're wise, I would advise you to take the vaccination.
Reporting for the Guardian News Network, I'm Berthany McDermott.